Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Josh Annarelli with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and we are standing on the Aviara 32, the epitome of a luxury day boat, introduced to us at Miami International Boat Show last year. Hop on board and let's take a look at what she has to offer. Starting on the transom, we have the 300 horsepower Mercury Verados. These are the all-new V8 platform, and I'll tell you what, this thing has plenty of get up and go. She has a mid-range that's uncomparable and a top speed that'll blow your hat off. A very unique feature on this Aviara 32 is the style of seating back here. It's not just your typical sun lounger. We have the stadium style seating with an easy click up. You have this whole extra row. So you have people out on the sandbar, you have people lounging down here. You have this cool seating and a nice view of what's going on. Stepping into the cockpit of the Aviara 32, you're gonna notice a lot of seating. You have all of your closest friends on board, big, comfortable L-shaped seating. You have cup holders, grab handles. You got some conveniently placed Aviara cooler underneath here, and some additional storage underneath either seat here. As a luxury day boat, you're gonna be doing a lot of entertaining on the Aviara 32. They give you plenty of counter space for when you're entertaining, put some food platters out, and conveniently underneath, you have this oversized sink. Just down below, you have a large ice chest here, incorporated into this station. And then as we move back, you're gonna have your refrigerator here, as well as a trash bin just adjacent. As we take a seat at the helm here, you're gonna notice this is the command center of the boat. You have your Garmin electronics, which is gonna go over your navigation and sonar needs. Your Mercury vessel view, which is gonna go over all your engine diagnostics, tell you your RPMs, speed, fuel burn, and all of that. And then you move to this side. This is gonna be the main control center for the Aviara 32. You're gonna have all the controls from your speaker system, to your lights, to your shades, and even more. Moving to this side, you're gonna have your Mercury throttles, as well as your joystick, which incorporates the autopilot, as well as the skyhook feature. For those long days out of the sandbar or cruising down the coast, at some point you may need to use the restroom. Aviara did away with the small head, and they did something different. They place the head here in the center, and what that does is it gives you plenty of space and clearance when you're standing inside. It's not that typical small cramped style that you see in a lot of boats of this size. Let's go take a look at the bow area. As we take a seat in the bow area here, you're going to notice how deep this is. That serves two purposes. One, it's super comfortable, and two, you feel safe. You have grab rails here, you have your cup holders conveniently placed here, speakers on either side. I mean, this is the perfect entertaining zone. We have our anchor locker here, which contains your automatic anchor hauler. You have your wash down to spray off any mud that gets on there. And I want to point out something, and that's the finishes. Even the underside of the anchor locker is well finished, and that's a consistent theme throughout this entire boat. And it's something you really have to see in person to appreciate. Come by our location, MarineMax St. Petersburg, or give us a call. I'd be happy to do a showing. Again, I'm Josh Annarelli, and thanks for checking out the Aviara 32. Have a good one.